What is your name? My name is John. What's your surname? My surname is Mark. Are you American? Yes, I am. Do I know you? Yeah, I am your classmate. Where is the airport? I don't know. Let's ask someone. Who did you have lunch with? I had lunch with my boss. Who is he? He is Tom's friend. Why can't you come to the party? I am very busy. Do you go to France every year? Yes, we used to. Do you have a pet? Yes, I have a dog. Have they bought a new car? No, they haven't. Was John tall? No, he isn't. How are you feeling today? I'm feeling happy today. How busy is she? She is very busy. How cold is it? It's 10 degrees Fahrenheit. How far is it to the beach? It's 2 miles that way. Is he playing cricket? Yes. Is it raining outside? Yes. What day is it? It's Sunday. What did you see in Paris? I see the Eiffel Tower. What do you think? It's very good. Are you married? No, I'm not. When is dinner? In 10 minutes. Would you like a tea? Yes, it would be great. How did this happen? I don't know. What broke the window? The ball broke the window. What did he eat? He ate steak and salad. What does he do on the weekend? He plays golf. When will they arrive? They will arrive at 8 p.m. Where do you live? I live in New York. Which car is yours? This car is mine. How did you get there? I get there by taxi. May I reserve a table for 8 p.m.? Of course. Was the train on time? No, it wasn't. When does the concert start? In an hour. Do you have a microwave? Yes, I do. May I introduce Ruth? Great to meet you, Ruth. Who, who is he working with? He is working with his wife. Do you like it? I don't actually. Is he Canadian? Yes, he is. Can you ride a bicycle? Yes, I can. Am I early? A bit. Can I have some popcorn, please? Yes, you can. Can I have something to eat? Yes, please. Did anyone call me this evening? Yes, someone called you at 6 p.m. Did you have a good time? Sure, it was awesome. Do you like fishing? No, I don't. It's boring. Does he want to go to the movies? Yes, he does. Is she still a student? No, I think not. Where are we going today? Let's go to the river. What's the weather like? It's cloudy and raining. Did you see my passport? No, I can't. Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. It's delicious. Do you want tea or coffee? I would like coffee, please. Do you live here? Yes, I do. Is your name Sarah? Yes, it is. What time do the street close? At 10 p.m. When did you arrive at the hotel? Yesterday. Where were you last night? I am at home. Who should I call? You should call Karan. Are you bored? Yes. What are you doing now? I am watching our TV. Do I need a new coat? Of course, you need. Can I borrow your pen, please? Yes, you can. Are you coming to the party? Nope, I'm sick. Are you ready to leave? No, I'm not ready yet. Can we climb that mountain? No, we can't. What is this thing? I don't know. Is it Tom's birthday today? Yes, it is. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. Are you feeling better today? Yes, I am feeling better today. Are you tired? Yes, of course I am. Does Tom like pizza? Yes, he is. Could we postpone our meeting? I'm sorry, but I have meeting all the day. But did they buy a new car? Yes, they did. Where is Ben? He's gone to the mall. Do you want to cook tonight? No, I would prefer not to. How are you? I am okay, thank you. How old are you? I am 26 years old. How many eggs are there? There are 10 eggs. Do you speak English? Yes, I can speak a bit. Have you been to California? Yes, I have been to California. How hot is it? It's 29 degrees Celsius. Is there a hotel in the town? No, there isn't. Will today be as hot as yesterday? I think so. What are you eating for dinner? Chicken fajita. Could you give me a ride to the station? Sure, why not?
Could you tell me where is the stadium, please? I don't know. Excuse me, could I sit here, please? I'm sorry, but that seat is taken. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos. Goodbye.